Hello again, I'm Amy Willard, Associate Director and Career Coach in the Office of Personal and Career Development, the OPCD. We are excited and honored you chose to make Wake Forest your college home. We are here for you no matter where you are on your career journey and whether you have it all figured out or exploring the options. I'm going to briefly review Handshake and walk you through some of our great website resources to get you started. First, I'm going to introduce you to Handshake. Here are a few extra pointers to get started with the system and utilize its power for you. From the home page, you'll scroll down and click on Handshake, then click on Access Handshake Now. This will allow you to activate your Handshake account by logging in and completing the user agreement, which is prompted when you open the platform. It's a quick form to agree with how you will use the system. Think honor code. By completing the form, you will have access to all the resources within Handshake, such as requesting appointments, registering for events, and searching for and applying for internships. Second, be sure to review your career interests and select all that apply to what you want to pursue after college. This will allow you to receive tailored emails and updates according to your preferences. Additionally, the system posts the most relevant opportunities at the top of your feed, aligning with the career interests you select and search filters you create. The more you utilize the system, the better the results you will have. Finally, register for career events early and often as they relate to your interest. This is the best way to continue to develop your skills and build your network with organizations who want to hire Wake Forest talent. You. And having a complete profile is very important and vital for having access to employer events. It will be required to have a complete profile that is made public so employers can view it, as well as an uploaded resume to participate in campus recruiting by attending employer events such as info sessions and the career fair. So be sure to review and complete your Handshake profile and make it public in order to participate in employer events and build your network. Not only does the OPCD have a robust and powerful system in Handshake, we have a plethora of resources available at your fingertips on our website. For career exploration, click on Students, scroll down and click on Explore Careers. You will see a list of possible career industries that many Wake Forest students pursue. However, it's not an exhaustive list. Many Wake Forest students have developed paths that combine these careers as well as creating their own unique career path. No matter your major, the skill sets you gain at Wake Forest allow you to pursue a wide range of career opportunities. You have the resources to explore all possibilities, from searching specific careers through a website and firsthand, meeting with a career coach, to taking a college to career course. You have our support to design a career aligned with your values, skills, and interests. Perhaps you are seeking graduate school as a post-grad option. Click on Students and scroll down and click on Graduate School. We have resources to help you in the research, application, and interview process. Each academic department has their own grad school advisor, and Peterson's is a great tool to search for programs of interest. Each program has their own set of admissions requirements, so it's important to review the program site for specific information and deadlines. We can assist with reviewing your resume, crafting your personal statement, and practicing your interview for whatever track you choose. Additionally, we have specialized resources for pre-health and pre-law, as well as a list of the Wake Forest grad programs. For resumes, you want to click on Students, then scroll down and click on Resumes. The resume is one of the first steps you can take to move from college to career. When you find an opportunity that excites or energizes you, you want to be ready to be first in line to apply. You don't want to scramble, worry, or wonder if your professional tools are ready. We want you building a resume or refining the one you have in such a way that we fully leverage your experiences to land opportunities you want. We have templates and resources to help you craft a strong resume to apply to opportunities with confidence. You don't have to have a resume to meet with a career coach. We help students from getting started on building a resume to refining the current document they have. Here are some resume resources: a step-by-step what is a resume, how to think about what you want to write, the all-important accomplishment statements, making those strong with strong action verbs with a couple of examples, and some guidelines such as keeping it to one page, font size, and a wonderful list of action verbs, as well as layouts. Once you've completed and refined your resume, you'll be ready to search for an internship. For internship search tools, click on Students, then scroll down and click on Internship Search. An internship is the best way to gain real-world experience in a career field of your interest. With an internship, you can determine if a career field is a good fit for you. You'll learn things about the industry and job functions that cannot be taught. Some internships lead to a full-time position within the same organization. An internship looks amazing on a resume and will give you material to reference during an interview for a full-time position. Here are some of our internship search resources. Handshake is the best resource to begin your search. Employers looking for Wake talent post opportunities on the site, making the applicant pool smaller. And you know, they hire Wake Forest students. However, not every employer posts positions on Handshake, so you may need to expand your search to other great sources such as LinkedIn, as well as Idealist for your nonprofit listings, CareerShift, similar to Handshake by setting up filters and saved searches, or Going Global for international opportunities. Once you've applied to internships or grad school programs, or even before, we highly recommend that you practice interviewing. And to find these resources, click on Students, then scroll down and click on Interviewing. An interview with an employer or grad school is not the time to wing it. You need to be well prepared and able to deliver your narrative of how your skills and experiences align with the employer's or grad school program's needs. The interview is a two-way process. You are interviewing them just as much as they are interviewing you. You want to be prepared for the types of questions that they'll ask you and the questions you will ask them. We have resources to help you prepare for general, behavioral, case questions, as well as format, live, or virtual. We've seen an increase in virtual interviews, particularly for first rounds. We strongly encourage you to schedule a mock interview prior to landing the interview, or utilize Interview Prep. This is our online virtual practice platform where you can custom create interviews for a variety of industries. Whether you have it all figured out or getting started, we are here for you, no matter where you are in the process. Get started early, request an appointment with a career coach on Handshake, and check out the OPCD resources on opcd.wfu.edu. We look forward to meeting with you to begin your college to career journey at Wake Forest.